All right.
Okay, here we are. Here's the tank. It's upside down, obviously. This has already been sanded down, wiped down, and you see some streaks here. Huh. Looks like some crap got into it. But there's that. Here's these rods. There's this, and there's that air cleaner. The cap of the air cleaner. Now what I'm about to do, I've already mixed my paint up. It's in my gun here, and we're about to shoot it. So I'm gonna hold the camera and hold the damn gun at the same time. Let's see how this works out.
All right. Safety first here. Let's put on my safety squints. And obviously you can tell by my voice I'm wearing a respirator. Okay. See now what I'm doing here. Okay, get good pressure, good paint. Okay. Something like this, I usually cut it in half. Like here is my imaginary line right here in the middle of the tank. Work one side, go to the other side. Let's do this. Okay. And let's slide from here. My gun up. As you can see, there's orange peeling here, but I'll get that later. But nobody's really going to see the bottom of the fuel tank. Okay, here we are. Okay. Let me see anything. Okay. Okay. Now let's go around. Hopefully I got everything there. Okay, let's see. Okay. All right, let's go back to this. Sorry.